Here I have OUKITEL WP5, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So firstly you have to unlock it like this. Then here you have to find the slot itself and then put the tool inside the hole on the slot. The slot will come out, then you can eject it with your hands. And here you have to put your SD card and next to it your SIM card, and then put it back into the device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. Let's enter my PIN code, and there's also notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.